So now, your jab cross, right. So now, when you jab cross, I'm either gonna do what? I'm either gonna jab, cross, and I'm looking at this as what? A parry, parry. So my parry, parry, elbow. My parry, parry, elbow gets me here. This hand is gonna either grab or punch, but all I wanna do is just reach up. Push back of the spine with the head. So again, so that jab cross, right, is going my parry, parry, but I'm still here in the mix. So I parry, parry this one, elbow. Immediately come out with that elbow. This hand here, my elbow, I go high. I hit the spine, come up under the chin and throat, or hit the nose. And you see how the feet go fast? That's why you go as high as possible. Do it again. 1, 2, 3. This hand might be here, this hand might be doing something else. I can switch it. I can go under, step, hit the kidneys, go up, and drop down. So you got two. Your first one, bang, 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 go under, that's my step, hit the spine, hit the kidneys, get his body up. Down, hit, stump, or that hand comes under, so I go 1, 2, bang, this hand is low, I pass it, I smack the kidneys to get him stand up, I go high and I go straight down. Where it starts at, it ends at. Now, if O is in here and I'm so close, he can throw a parry. So he throws his parry, that's one move. If I'm close up, his parry becomes his elbow. Right. Now he hits me with the other elbow. Good. So do it again. If I'm far away, he can hit the pan. This was parry. Right. So he got to ride it. Boom. He got to ride it to the face. Now if it's close up, his elbow is the parry. Right. There you go. Good. Do it again. Hit. Good. So ride that line. See, create that line to ride that line. Okay? Good. And he's stepping my foot so I can't move. Now that foot is loaded. He got 60% on the front leg, 40% on the back leg. So since it's 40 on the back leg, he can easily get off the ground. So now he throws that shot. Boom, that knee. Behind the head comes down. Right. He got so many different things he can do. My head is here, so I can't see that knee coming. Boom, right. So you got a whole bunch of stuff that he can throw in here, okay? So again, if I'm far away from him, he parry with the hand. Boom, elbow. Bang, that back fist, so I can't see, now bring that elbow in. I can't see that coming. Right, that's what you want. You want to rock that world. Do it again. Boom, good, go. But give me that, I'm looking at you. So if I can see you, I can hit you. Bang, bang, right. Give me that backhand. Put that elbow, where the elbow at? Give me that backhand. Boom, bang, right. Now I can't see this elbow coming. Boom, I can't see that. That's what you want. Another thing is, now, I want him to use that power of the elbow to bring me down to be able to hit me with a knee. So now he used the power of the elbow. Boom, right, bam, there you go. You know, so he gets a knee and he gets an elbow in the back of the head or a hammer fist, all depending on how close I am. Can we do that again? Now close up, right, boom, right, you see? Put it right there behind it again, right there behind it. Good, there you go. Get more rhythm with that knee, because this and this should be one. So we're gonna get 1, 2, right, again. There you go, come on over. 1, 2, good. Just like that, it's a rhythm. pop, pop. Any lull in the fight, I got time to think about something, scramble, or grab a weapon or something. So that's why you gotta hit them fast. Give me my arm, give me that elbow. No, give me the elbow. Right, there you go. You see how fast he throws that elbow down? That's that trap. That elbow traps it, boom, pulls it down. He throws a punch. Right, you see how my elbow pulls it down? Do it again. My elbow is a parry. It pulls it down. I can hit him in the shoulder, hit him in the face, hit him in the throat, backhand. I can wrap. I can take his knee out. Okay? And because his leg was so stretched out, when I went high and came down on top of his kneecap, oh man, I'm dislocating that. So look at the distance. If he's far away with the punch, I'm just gonna parry. If I wanna ride it, I ride up his elbow with the catcher's mitt. I lower him down. You see, I lower him down with my weight. I can hit him here. I got a whole bunch of stuff. The hand is still here, so I still have this motion, elbow in the neck, to what? Break the small metacarpals, take out the elbow, or I hit him with this elbow, I come here and hit him again, okay? If I don't like this guy, I might hit him here, roll here, and snap. Just depends. So, the motion of this is him throwing that elbow, that's that, he rides my face, boom. So he rides that punch. Boom, right. Shrinks my body, right. Now throw, got open hand, punch, up elbow, horizontal elbow. He got all that in his motion, so all depends on what he wants to do. He got 60% on the front leg, 40% on the back, so that 40% is gonna activate. So when he throws whatever technique is, boom, that 40% comes right behind it. That knee, bang, come right behind it. So any moment in time, he can throw two at the same time. So throw elbow and knee, ready, go. Elbow, same time. Good, 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 now. Again, now you put it together. Good, again. Good, again. Good, again. Good, again. Good. Good.